Happy New Year, guys! Today we're going to let's start with our New Year's with writing some Kotlin codes. So let's see. So this is a slight reminder that for viewers of this stream, and even in odd episodes, we're going to write some actual codes with some practicing algorithm problems, and in even series we're going to talk about the Kotlin mechanism. So if you're in a rush, you can just pick whatever you would like to watch, and we have a playlist for the tutorials only streams. So today we're going to write some code. So this is a circle of numbers 0 to n minus 1, distance between any two neighbors, and blah blah. Find the number which is written in the radical opposite position of, so it needs to be even, right? Yeah, positive even integer. 0 to n minus 1. Actually, this is math, I believe, because this and this adds up to 5, and this add up to 7, and this add up to, it's actually twice the smaller one. Or if you are over half, like if you're 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, then the opposite of u is just 0 plus and divided by 2 and blah blah. And if it's you're over half of it, so I don't know what is this question asking. Wow, this is a algorithm competitive programming practice, so these things just happen. So return, there's let me check, switch or case, a case in Kotlin. Yeah, that's a when block, when expression. So we just basically do when n, it's n, right? Yeah. And if can I just write can I write a condition? Yeah, I can write listing in. Okay, so and we can just write n 0 up to until, I don't know if until works here. I don't think so. Until what? N divided by 2. Then it returns something. Can I return something here? Return. I don't see any return here. Maybe we just do return n plus n divided by 2. And minus n divided by 2. Did this site just changed the font that it used? Huh? Why? And it's 2. It should be 7, and I'm outputting 5. So it falls into else, I guess. Nope. Huh. That's weird. Return n plus. Oh, it's actually messed everything up. It's first number here and first number and first number. That should be it. Okay, this one is boring. But we reviewed the blank page. Yeah, it's a good thing. Kotlin. So many people that write Kotlin. depositProfit. You have deposited a specific amount of money into your bank account. Each year your balance increases at the same growth rate. With the assumption that you don't make any additional deposits, find out how long it would take for your balance to pass, okay? And that's 120, 144, and 172.8. This is a tough one. Double should be enough. Guaranteed to be a positive integer between 1 to 100. So it is possible that we would need to handle okay. Counter equals to 0 while deposit is smaller than actually I'm wondering if I can reassign deposit. I don't think so. Yeah. I'm writing I'm writing Java style code again. Value counter equals to 0. It's actually a variable, and variable deposit equals to deposit with interest. Interest is smaller than threshold. Well, actually, the rounding would be something that is hard here. I'm wondering if it's going to make a difference. It's always safest to just use double, but yeah, if the threshold is 100, and so if every time I truncate, yeah, it's going to make a difference. Yeah, it's definitely going to make a difference. Of type double then. I don't think I need to cast it here, right? Because it's always lessing. Okay, so I need to cast it. Kotlin is so type safe. Okay, deposit cannot be cast into double. So yeah, I think let's just integer. Why is it an integer? Oh, that's interesting. I never expect int to be integer. Really? It's yeah, I think it should be different. Oh, there's a to double. Aha. Huh? Oh. And that's it. I'm still making a lot of mistakes. These are just not allowed in code interviews. Where am I? Absolute values sum minimization. That's a long one. Ah, okay. But I can imagine what it is. Smallest possible x that is the smallest absolute value of everything. So it's actually the definition of average. No. The definition of yeah, it's the definition of average. Actually, I mean we just sum them up because yeah, this is again a math problem. If we sum the items up, no, actually no. It's not going to be average, is it? Let's have a stupid case. Yeah, it's neither. But anyway, if we have the average, So let's assume the value to be x. Then if this x is definitely going to be somewhere, is it going to be a median? It should be somewhere. Oh, median. Let's start with median. If it is median, so if it is median and with odd entries, with odd number of entries, then it is definitely going to zero out a number. And for it's not going to be better if it is going to +1, because everything that is outside of, that is on the left, that is bigger than it, would now -1, but I kind of believe it's going to be median by definition. Let's take a peek at a median definition. Oh yeah, it's definitely not going to be that median, but it's not going to be how median is defined, but because median can be noun integer. Wow, but nevertheless, it's definitely going to be median +1 or -1, or yeah, median -1 or median and median +1. Anyway, let's first start with the median. So how about let's start with a dot sort, return a, divide by a at a dot length size is actually size divided by 2. No, it's not going to work for yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not going to work, but I just want to see the examples just to be lazy. Yeah, it's one of it. Yeah, when there are odd items, and it's just not going to work. So I need to verify it. I don't think I have a way to verify it easily, so let's have a is there an easy way to Kotlin create list array? Array is easier. Okay, I'm pretty sure I have looked this up in one of my earlier. There it is, int array of. the date. Let's take a look at the when statement. I think there is a odd, yeah, it's odd and is even. No, there's no is odd, so let's write an extension function for it. Do I need to move this? It's 0 to n minus 1, so 0 to size minus 1. If we divide it by 2, it's it's supposed to locate at 0 and between 0 and size minus 1. So it's 0 plus size minus 1. It's going to be 0 plus size minus 1 divided by 2, which is exactly size minus size divided by 2. And how about when there are 2 items? It's going to be add size divided by 2 and size divided by 2 plus 1. So there's a sum. larger than it's 2 and one is smaller than some candidates 2 1 answer. So function, it takes if I want a property at, is it possible to have a property at, I don't know, but I'm not going to do it now. Because this is maybe actually maybe yes. Let's start with late unique value. I don't think late init value is supported in code signal. List of type mutable list. So I've written a lot, but it's actually basically just the same as what I have earlier returned. 17 expecting. Only on, okay. Well, I actually want to byte delegate, but oh, actually I can do it. Late init. Delegated. I don't think this A can be delegated here. Yeah, unresolved reference A. It's just not non-existent at this goal. So I need to go with the var path. Okay, it's returning boolean. Wow, this is a little bit stupid. Oh, or maybe boolean can be neither true nor false. Oh, okay. So it's actually a dot length size that is odd. Any else? Candidates dot length. There's no length in the integer array? Really? I don't believe it. There's no length. There is no length? Really? Really? No, this is just not possible. Int array. Okay, it has a size. That's so awkward. Okay. That is super awkward to me. Oh, actually I need to sum them here. But this is basically just the incorrect version. Oh, actually no. And that's it. What else? Okay, this is the last part I need to do now. Huh? Really? Where? Oh, okay, if there is no item, but it's guaranteed to have an item. So, if the size is 2, then it's going to have 0 and 1, and it's actually -1 then. Okay, my bad. Wrong calculations. What? Why? Wait. So it is. Huh? Wait a minute. Okay, so I don't need to compare. It's always going to be this one. Why? No, this doesn't really make sense. Why is... Okay, so it is sorted. And being the smaller one would probably zero out the most. Really? I don't believe so. Huh. Why? Why? I'm bad at math. So this actually can be... So as long as this the implementation is correct, this can be... actually, let's just comment out the whole thing. This can be simplified into but I don't know why. I need this is odd. I can't see why the smaller one is always better than the bigger one. Anyway, we're running out of time, so that's all for today. See you next time. See you tomorrow, and we're going to talk about some Kotlin syntax. Let me check if there's any comments on my channel. Nope. So that's all for today. See ya.